In this video, we're going to be looking at the Bright Idea CRM and how to connect your email so that you have access not only to your emails that are coming in, we'll also be looking at integrating your Facebook account and also your Google listing. Now, your Google listing is going to be connected to the email that you have it connected to, or maybe if you've added another user. So make sure that you're using the same Gmail that is connected to your Google listing, or the email that you're using is a user on your Google listing account as a manager, so that you have access to integrating it with your system. So once you log in, this is going to be your dashboard that you're going to be looking at. You're going to go down here to settings. And as you see here, this is how you're going to be connecting your email. You'll click here and then you will add new service. Now, depending on what service you use, these are different options. Now, we're going to go with the most used one, which is going to be typically Gmail. Now, if you're using Outlook, you will then be using this other option here, and we'll go through the different options. If you need help, just reach out and I'll help you walk through the other options, but mainly the Gmail is the most likely one to be used. So you'll click Gmail and then you will put in your Gmail, and I'm going to show you what a common problem that happens if you don't set up the right settings within your Gmail account. So we have now I put in my Gmail email and my password. As you can see is I got this kickback here. So I'm going to go over to my Gmail, and you need to make sure that you update these settings in your Gmail so that the account has access to so the CRM has access to your account. So you'll go right here. I'm going to go over to settings, right here to account. You're going to go over here to security. You're going to scroll down. And as you see here, it says Let's Secure App Access. Now, if you're using G Suite, you're going to need to make sure that if you have an account that you're using that is connected to a G Suite, multiple work emails, there's a different video you're going to need to watch to access that training, to be able to access the correct settings, to change them not only for yourself, the main business primary email, but also any other users that you have that are accessing the Bright Idea CRM. And I'll do a separate video to show you how to do that. So you'll go here and you're going to say turn off access. And don't let this not recommended scare you. This is just something that needs to be done to be able to give your email access to populate in the CRM. And then you'll click allow less secure apps. Now, if you have additional settings, like if you have two-step verification, that sort of stuff on, that might sometimes interrupt when connecting your email, but it shouldn't. If it does, you might just want to turn that off as you connect, just to get it connected. Now, the biggest thing that this is super helpful with is, so that's happened. So now you can see here that this account has been added, and you can click it as a default, so that when you are communicating through the dashboard, if you have not seen, you're able to integrate not only your Facebook, and Instagram account and Google listing, but also your email, so that you will be receiving emails and messages. They're going to be populating right here so you can respond in one place. Thank you for watching. That is how you're able to connect your Gmail to the Bright Idea CRM. Please reach out to us if you have any additional questions.